Hi, dog. Dog. Whatever. Really don't know what your name is must be announced, but let me start from here. Okay. Hi, Hatlebo Farkas. Yes, this is my name. This is the only one point is actually true. Thanks for reaching out again. Why are you say thank you? I am inured by you. Let me explain that later. I have to hold the phone. Yes. Before we start, hi, my name is the Hatlabo Farkas. This is really irrelevant because I'm just a customer, I'm actually nobody. Keep on rolling. Yes, this is a VGA resolution video because I'm not think you deserve more. I understand you are upset, however. No, you are not understand how big I am upset. I want to kindly inform you that downgrading an Android version is impossible not only on Xperia devices but also any device that use Android OS. Come on, dog, you cannot lie any bigger than that. How are you or still work for a corporation with this kind of lying? You are not considering a politics with this kind of lying stuff. Why are you not a politician with a left wing, right wing, whatever wing, doesn't matter. Why you are not a politician with this kind of ability of facing native lying on the people? On the other hand, if you can't run Xperia Companion, you should try it with another computer. Who have another computer? I have one computer, as you see in here. This is, well, I think this is a computer. Yes, with triple displays, but this is irrelevant in here. Okay, I can't understand that. Okay, let's repeat the line. On the other hand, if you can't run Xperia Companion, you should try with another computer. I do not want use the Companion program because the Companion program is doing nothing new. This is an obsoleted bullshit. It's really good for nothing. Here are system requirements for Windows and macOS. What is this choice? Left wing and right wing? What the fuck is that? Windows and macOS. There is no other operation system is in here. I cannot see anything in here. You really think these two operation system is available, do you? How douchebag are you? Come on, I cannot believe in you anyway. Anyway, and anyhow, Windows and macOS is a two mainstream operation system where the people actually believe anything your lies in here. So looks like you are trying to be a politician in here. Okay, here's a system requirements. Well, Pentium fucking 4. Did you think I'm not have a Pentium 4 with this? Well, my friends tells me this is a rocket. Yes, I have requirements. Yes, but this is the problem in here, Windows. And this is a problem here too, macOS. And mainly, this is, if this is not a problem big enough, this is a problem, Xperia Companion. This program is running on nothing, which means not doing anything. Okay, this is a system requirements, 32-bit, 64-bit, internet broadband connection. Well, I think I have, but never mind. Okay, iTunes means Macintosh OS, in here. Maybe you see that. Okay. Sorry for any inconvenience. Regards, dog, whatever. So, this text in here, let me highlight that if I can. No, I cannot. Ah, damn, I hate the Facebook. Because it's not works for me, The Facebook works for, well, anyone else. Is highlighting now, This highlighted area I show you is pure This is a one word in here. Dog, this is your name. This is not lies. The records is lies too. Because you are actually do not taking care about a customer. This is your name and this is a lie. In one line. Okay. So everything you sent me is a lie except your name and except my name. And between this two thing, come on, is a pure lie. Okay, let me tell you about that. This is a... Let me clear myself. Let me explain myself. This is not the mobile phone I'm actually complaining about, because this is my spared device, Z2. This is not the device with the problem. The device with the problem is the Xperia Z Premium. You know, the premium stuff. And the phone is working very well, but the Android 9 is not. And what you try to tell me in here, nobody, let me quoting you, because I'm not know word by word what you said. I'm reading now. I kindly inform you that you are the informing. What, you are a news center? You are informing me? Phew, come on, you are not even a professional. Why I have to supposed to be listening at you at all? Okay, here's your verse again. Downgrading an Android version is impossible. What the fuck you try to explain me? You getting, in this point, you're getting ridiculous. You know, not because your words is only a pure native lies, but come on, you are actually believing in your words. Let me explain myself again. So my problemed device is sent to the professionals. You know, there is a professionals. Yes, in this planet, and this is not you. Because your helps with useless words contains a truckload of lies. But the professionals, you know, what the professional says? Okay. What is your problem? This is your problem. Give it your... And the professionals is check the phone, verifies the errors, and he said, I see that. So came back later, approx a week, okay? And give me all your money. And I do everything for you for money. So this is a professional, you know? And this professionals is reset my phone to the factory default setting that actually you do not want me to reach. This is why you are a noob. A terrible kind of noob. Because you are actually try to force your belief impossible things. But this is not impossible. Flying is impossible. Well, let me think for a second. Well, no. There is a flying machines, airplanes, aircrafts. Come on, flying is not impossible. We are communicating with each other with mobile phones. You are actually not in here, so... No, I'm alone in this very small room, but no, you are not here. I sent a video message to you. This is not impossible. The impossible is you are actually still working on a Sony. My all-time favorite company is losing 50% of the fame because of your lies. And yes, the phones are still perfect in some kind of way. But come on, you are lying and you trying to destroy the name of the Sony. This is why I'm actually not believe in your fucking lies. You must be understand now. You must be understand now. So, your message is in here, in the front of me, and I still upset because of you, not because of, is it impossible to downgrade from Android 9? No, it is not impossible, but maybe impossible to you. Let me guess, you don't even understand how the money is working in this corrupt international system. The debt base monetary system. You didn't hear that word again, yeah? You actually a slave, do you? You work for money. You are suck. Not because you are work as a slave. Because if I see out the window, 99.999% is a slave. And they don't even know they are a slave. So working from day to day without any chance of improving their lives. This is a slaves. The slaves is who is sit down, and wait to be freed by someone. This is a slave. But you are, I think you are the worst case of slaves because you are trying to lie to me. And I am a bigger lug than you because I can ask a professional. So, hey dude, I have a very serious problem. I have this kind of phone and this is a problem. So how we can save that? How we can solve the problem? And the professional said, let me see, yeah, I see that. So give me all your money, I solve the problem for you. This is a professional in this corrupt system. This capitalism, free entertainment. You know the words. I don't have to repeat myself. As you hear clearly, the English is not my first language. Is my learned English. In here, almost nobody talks in English, and I'm practicing in internet, in TeamSpeak. Yes, TeamSpeak. You never heard that. Never mind. So I'm practicing the English with people, and the English guys are good. They try not to lie. Well, most of the case. But you are just terrible. And this is all what you sent to me. This is pure lies.